Every school is working to prepare students for success, but what makes Sally Ride Elementary different is our focus on community.
Y eso es lo que me gustaría que supieran, que es una comunidad muy chiquita, pero nos conocemos muchos y la accesibilidad para que te contesten a preguntas es muy fácil.
Yeah, they're very communicative. Like, she's really attached to her teacher because she asks a lot of questions and she's always learning something new.
The community here is made up of people I care about. My friends, they care for me a lot. They help me feel better when I'm feeling down. And they actually make school more enjoyable and fun to be in.
Las familias deben de saber que Sally Ride ofrece muchos recursos para padres y miembros de la comunidad. Algunos de los recursos que nosotros ofrecemos son clases gratuitas de inglés y tecnología y talleres de salud mental.
We offer tutoring and targeted ELA and math intervention to help students build skills and confidence. We also have programs like Girls Run Club that promotes wellness and connection. In addition, we host events like our health fair, art festival, and stream fair that brings learning to life.
We also integrate social-emotional learning, trauma-informed practices, and inclusive programming into our daily instruction to create safe spaces where our students feel welcomed, supported, and ready to learn.
We've worked hard to create a place where every student, family, and staff member feel seen, valued, and connected. That sense of belonging makes a big difference. You can feel it in the pride, the collaboration, and the energy on campus. Sally Ride is more than just a school. It's a community where everyone matters. Being named a PBIS Silver Medal Award recipient is something we're really proud of because it represents the kind of school environment we strive to create every day.
In the STEAM lab, third grade students use computers, robotic orbs, craft and lab materials, and coding programs for both independent and collaborative projects.
I built and designed a car tank.
As a second grade teacher, one thing that often surprises parents is the depth of context students engage with. They explore topics like early Asian civilizations, Greek mythology, and historical events, such as the Civil War and immigration, all while developing strong reading, writing, and critical thinking skills.
My time here at Sally Ride has helped me develop a love for reading. I like reading lots of comics. My teachers make learning fun by doing little math games. They also explain things really well.
Learning in the classroom is interactive. Students read, discuss, collaborate, and apply their understanding through writing and hands-on activities.
These hands-on experiences matter because they provide opportunities that prompt creative thinking, inspire problem solving, and hone the engineering design process in order to bolster teamwork, independent inquiry, and technical skills.
What makes Sally Ride special is how much we value creativity. Our students experience the arts throughout the day through programs like dance, music, theater, and visual arts. And they can continue that learning after school through enrichment classes taught by our own Sally Ride teachers. We also provide memorable field trips to places like medieval times, pirate adventures, and overnight science trips for our 4th and 5th grade students.
Esta escuela ofrece un entorno seguro para el aprendizaje. Los maestros son amables y respetuosos. Estoy orgullosa de estar en esta escuela y me encanta venir aquí todos los días.
I would tell parents they can expect a welcoming and supportive school environment where their child would grow both academically and socially.
Nosotros somos una comunidad donde las familias son valoradas y animadas a involucrarse en el aprendizaje de sus hijos.
At Sally Ride, every child has the opportunity to discover their strengths, build confidence, and feel proud of who they are and what they can achieve.
Gracias por ser una parte tan importante de nuestra comunidad escolar. Nos enorgullece trabajar junto a familias como la suya para hacer de nuestra escuela un lugar de crecimiento, creatividad y oportunidades para cada niño.